Question 1. What is the difference between a reflex action and walking? Answer. Reflex action is an automatic, quick, and involuntary response to a stimulus controlled by the spinal cord. Example, pulling your hand away from a hot object. Walking is a voluntary action that is controlled by the brain and requires conscious effort and coordination. Reflex action, nature, involuntary. Control center, spinal cord. Speed, very fast. Purpose, protection from sudden danger. Walking, nature, voluntary. Control center, brain. Speed, relatively slower. Purpose, movement and locomotion. Question 2. What happens at the synapse between two neurons? Answer. At a synapse, the electrical signal from one neuron is converted into a chemical signal by the release of neurotransmitters into a synaptic gap. These chemicals cross a gap and bind to receptors on the next neuron, triggering a new electrical impulse. Question 3. Which part of the brain maintains posture and equilibrium of the body? Answer. The cerebellum, a part of the hindbrain, maintains posture and equilibrium by coordinating muscle movements and balance. Question 4. How do we detect the smell of an agarbatti incense stick? Answer. The smell of an agarbatti is detected by olfactory receptors present in the nose. These receptors send signals to the olfactory lobe of the brain, which interprets the signal as a specific smell. Question 5. What is the role of the brain in reflex action? Answer. The brain plays no direct role in initiating reflex actions. They are controlled by the spinal cord. However, the brain may become aware of the reflex after it has occurred and can modulate or override some reflex actions with training or experience. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel.